Welcome to the dynamic world of real estate affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Imagine making $40,000 even as a beginner. Sounds too good to be true? Stay tuned until this video's end to reveal a secret hack that could skyrocket your earnings. Let's dive in. Hey there, I'm Gabriel, your host, and today we're talking about a lucrative opportunity that's taking Nigeria by storm: real estate affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to earn a substantial income without a huge upfront investment, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's break down what real estate affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's promoting real estate properties and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Think of it as being a real estate agent without the need for a license or heavy investments. Step 1. Choose the right affiliate program. In Nigeria, several reputable real estate companies offer affiliate programs. Look for companies with a good track record, high commission rates, and a variety of properties to promote. Some popular options include Cruckstone, Jupigan Investment Ltd, and others. Signing up is usually straightforward. Fill out your details, get approved, and you're ready to start promoting. Step 2. Build your platform. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, you need a space to share your affiliate links. Create content that provides value. Think property reviews, investment tips, and market trends. The goal is to attract an audience interested in real estate. Consistency is key. Regularly update your platform with fresh, engaging content to keep your audience returning. Step 3. Leverage SEO and social media marketing. Use search engine optimization, SEO, to ensure your content ranks high on Google. This means using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks. Tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs can help you track your performance and refine your strategy. Step 4. Network and collaborate. Join real estate forums, attend webinars, and connect with other affiliates. Collaboration can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Webinars and forums are great places to learn and network. Step 5. Track your performance and optimize. Keep an eye on which strategies are bringing in the most referrals and commissions. Use this data to focus on what works and tweak what doesn't. Regularly review your analytics to stay on top of your game. And now, as promised, here's the secret hack to boost your earnings. Consider investing in paid advertising. While organic traffic is fantastic, a well-placed ad can drive targeted traffic to your content quickly. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads allow you to reach a specific audience interested in real estate. A small investment here can result in big commissions. Start small, test different ads, and scale up once you see what works. So, there you have it. The steps to making $40,000 through real estate affiliate marketing in Nigeria. It takes effort and consistency, but the rewards can be significant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.